Hey guys, what's up? After a long time we are meeting, right? Yes, I know that I'm posting this video after a long time. I think around 12 to 13 days after I'm posting this video, because last time also somebody messaged me that bro, you have not posted the video for a long time. Are you fine? Like that. So thank you, Mad Lad. I think the name of the channel was. So thank you, Mad Lad, for showing your concern. So yes, I am a little better. Actually, I was having some health issues because of which I was not able to post the video, and also there was one more thing that was concerning, that was worrying me, because of which I was more focused towards there and not towards posting the video. I will let you know what it is, but right now it's time for me to go out and then I'll tell you what it is. Okay, so you guys tell me how everything is going on. Is everything all right? So I have parked my bicycle, now I can talk freely. So yeah, so in these past 12 days, happened, a lot happened. For example, you remember that I told you about my back pain. So it had gotten worse, because of which I asked for work from home from my office, from my manager, and he gave me also. So for a few days I was doing work from home. So you know now that when you are physically not well, so you don't feel like making videos and all. And secondly, I was not mentally also, I was not well, because something happened in India, in my family, like not anything major, but yeah, somebody was not feeling well in my family. So I was worried about them, and I was thinking about going to India and see if everything is fine or not, to take care of everything. But now everything is fine. So yeah, for these 12 days, physically and mentally, I was worried, so because of which I was not able to make the video. But like the Arnold Schwarzenegger in Terminator says, I am back. So guys, today is 27th of December. So this is the last working day of this year for all the Japanese people, almost all the Japanese people. So that's why everyone is happy, because then everyone will start working from next year, 6th of January.
Acha.
Somebody has parked the bicycle, no, not the bike, in front of the station, Shimbashi station. Okay guys, so I've reached office now, and as I told you that today is the last working day. So yeah, very few people are visible today at the station also. The station was like not many people were there. So I think many people have taken the leave today also, so that they get more extended leaves. So yeah, next whole week will be holidays for Japanese people, including me also, because I'm in Japan. So yeah, you will get to see the vlogs, whatever I do during those days. And in my office today there is a party, and let me tell you one interesting story about party in my office. So guys, अभी office तो मैं पहुंच गया हूँ, but I am feeling like standing under the sunlight for some time because it's too cold here. So that's why I was wearing that cap also. So the mail was regarding the party, but all the rules were mentioned, that don't keep the half empty cans here and there, throw the cans here. So these rules are fine, but you see, year-end party, but just for half an hour. And for the rest of the 15 minutes we have to do the katazuke. And I was really shocked to see that mail, that is that a party? It's better not to do this kind of thing, because just half an hour, if you stand up from your workstation and go to the meeting room, let's say it will also take 5 minutes, coming back to your workstation 5 minutes. So out of half an hour, 10 minutes are gone, only 20 minutes are left, and for 20 minutes they are saying that please have fun and all that. It was quite funny to see that mail, because I have attended year-end parties in India and they were amazing. So this kind of party I have never experienced. So yeah, after the party gets over, after the shift gets over, I will come back and tell you what exactly happened in the party. I see a beautiful Porsche is standing, and here, what a big leaf I saw. So I just wanted to show it to you. What a big leaf. See, beautiful. So यहाँ रख देते हैं. Well, अभी ऑफिस भी स्टार्ट होने वाला है, so let's go to office and let's see how that beautiful grand party is going to be.
Okay guys, so the office has gotten over and the party I was talking about, that also has gotten over, and what an amazing party, too much fun. Okay, so क्या हुआ party में, let me tell you. So the moment it was 4:30 in the evening, there was an announcement by a Japanese guy and he said that hello everyone, I would request you all to please stop your work for now, and I would like you to come to this place and take the drinks. So there were different drinks, like there was beer, there were soft drinks. So they said, as they mentioned in the mail, that there will only be drinks, so that's fine. There were drinks, so everyone started going, and everyone was showing like, okay, sugiwa watashi no ban da yo, like they were very respectfully taking the drinks. It's not that everyone was jumping onto the drinks like, okay, give me जैसे we see like usually, like if daru agar बट रही होती है, if somebody is serving alcohol, then the kind of rush that we get to see, especially in India. So no, respectfully everyone was going, taking the drinks, and then coming back to their workstation, and everyone shut down, not shut down, but closed the laptop, and they were drinking, talking normally, and yeah, so this is how the party was taking place. And then when the moment it was 17, like 5 o'clock in the evening, so there was an announcement that hello guys, now we are moving towards the katazuke, like now we are going to do the throwing of the cans and all to the dustbin, and don't go anywhere here and there, just come to this place and give your cans, we will take care of it. So there were two plastic bags, in which one was for plastic glasses for people who were drinking the normal drinks, soft drinks, and one was for beer. So people went and gave. So it's not that there was some cleaning worker who was doing all that. All the employees were holding the garbage bag. So especially in Japan, they don't feel this, that no, I will not hold garbage bag, I'm an employee. No. Everyone is doing everything. So even the people at high positions were doing all this. So they don't feel like, okay, they think that this is our office, so everything is our responsibility. So that's a good thing. So okay, after that 17:15, and there was an announcement, that we are done with the tidying up, like throwing off the cans and glasses. Now you can go back and work. So then I suddenly thought, okay, people have drunk beer, so alcohol is there. Okay, it's not that 0% alcohol beer was there. So alcohol was there in the beer. People are drinking and working, like not working, but now they will work after drinking alcohol. So is it allowed in the company? So I was thinking all this, and there was one of my colleagues, she was sitting in front of me, and I asked her that is it allowed that after drinking beer, like after consuming alcohol, people will work? So this is little dangerous, right? Because people can do some miss also. So, and I also told her that when I was working in India in a company, so two people drank alcohol and came to office, because of which they were fired by the manager, because they drank alcohol and came to office. So, and in Japan, now people have drunk beer, like alcohol, in the office, and now they're going to work. So is it possible? So she said that yeah, it's fine, with one beer nothing will happen, so it's fine, and anyways it's time for everyone to log off. But I told her that not everyone will log off because few people will do overtime today also. Even though it's the last working day of this year, people will do overtime. She said yeah, it's allowed. I said okay, if it's allowed like that, so is this thing also allowed, that people will drink alcohol and come to office? So that is also fine. Just I was curious to know that. So she said no, it is not allowed that people will drink alcohol and come to office. So I said it's one and the same thing that you are coming to office after drinking and working this thing, and now people have drunk beer in which alcohol is there, and now they will work. So it's one and the same thing eventually people will drink alcohol and work. So what is the difference? I very politely asked her. She said a little bit like that. She could not answer it properly, but I am curious to know about this thing. So I am definitely going to ask some person who is at the high position. Maybe he will be able to answer, because it's a very good to know information. Because this is the major cultural difference between India and Japan. Here drinking beer in office was allowed today. First time I saw people are drinking beer and working and talking in the office. So I was quite shocked. So what do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. And for today's video, I'll shut it down because now I think I also want to go and enjoy last working day now for 1 week holidays. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this, what I talked about, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and have fun.